Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the strap on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To take off the current straps on your watch, flip it over so you're looking at the base. Use your nail to press down the release button below the strap. While you have it pressed down, you can slide the strap off. Repeat the same process for the other side. To attach a strap, flip the watch over so you're looking at the base. On the strap, make the silver magnet part face up and then slide it into the watch. It will click into place. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.